हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आइए इस वीडियो के माध्यम से अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस की एक्सरसाइज 5.2 में दी हुई प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1, 2 और 3 को डिस्कस करें। प्रॉब्लम 1 इज fill in the blanks in the following table given that a is the first term, d the common difference and an the nth term of the AP. In first part of this problem, it is given that a is 7, d is 3, n is 8. So we have to calculate an. Using the formula for an, we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This gives the value of nth term. Now substituting the values given, a is 7, n is 8 and d is 3. So this is 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, that is 28. So we have to fill 28 here. For the second part, a is minus 18, d is to be found out, n is 10 and an is 0. Again we will use the formula of an, which is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is given 0, a is minus 18, n is 10 and d is to be found out. Transfer this term to the right side, it becomes positive. This is 9d, so d is 18 by 9, that is 2. So we have to fill 2 here. For the third part, d is minus 3, n is 18 and an is minus 5. Again using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 5 minus 5, then a is to find out and n is 18, so 18 minus 1 and d is minus 3. So this is a and this is 17 into minus 3 minus 5 minus 5, a minus 17 3 51. Transfer minus 51 to the left hand side, it becomes positive 51. So answer is 46. So we have to fill 46 in the table. Now fourth part, a is minus 18.9, d is 2.5, n is to be found out and an is 3.6. a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is 3.6, a is minus 18.9 plus n is to be found out and d is 2.5. So this becomes 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to 2.5 n minus 2.5. Then this becomes 9, 6, 15, carry 1, 8, 3, 11, 12, 1, 2. This becomes 22.5. Then transfer this term to the left hand side, and in this way we have 2.5, n is equal to 25. So n is equal to 25 by 2.5, 10. So the value of n is 10. For the fifth part of the problem, an is to be find out. A is 3.5, n is 10. Five minus 1 into d is 0. So this is 3.5 plus 104 into 0. So this is 3.5 plus 0, that is 3.5. These are the answers for the given unknowns which are to be filled in the table. So in third part the value of a is 46, so we will fill 46 here. In fourth part n is 10, so fill 10 here, and in fifth part an is 3.5. In this way the given table has been completed. Now question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of this AP is, which among the following is the 30th term of this AP? Here A is 10, D is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, n is 30, and an is to be find out. So using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we can calculate an. A is 10, n is 30, 30 minus 1 into d is minus 3. So 10 plus 29 minus into minus 3. So it is 10 minus 27, 3 2 just 6, and 2, and the difference is minus 77, so option C is correct. 11th term of the AP this is. Options are 28, 22, minus 38 and minus 48 and half. To find out the 11th term of this AP, we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 11, so 11 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 10d. This is the 11th term. 11th term is given by a plus 10d. Here a is minus 3 and d is, what is d? D is minus half, then minus 3, that is minus half plus 3. So this gives 2.5. So 2.5 minus 3 plus 25, and we get 22 as the correct option. Now question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. These are APs in which some of the terms are missing, which are to be find out. Suppose in first part the missing term be x, then 2x and 26 are in AP, and therefore common difference will be the same. So x minus 2 is the common difference, and this is also the common difference. So both the common difference will be equal. Now we have to solve this equation, transferring this x to the left hand side and this number to the right hand side. This gives 2x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 28 by 2, 14. Thus we have to fill 14 here. In second part, first term and the third term are to be find out, whereas we are given second term and fourth term. So we can write second term as a plus d. This is given 13, and fourth term, that is a plus 3d, is given as 3. So we have to solve this pair of linear equation in two variables a and d. So minus 2d is equal to 10. So d is equal to 10 by minus 2, that is minus 5. Now putting d is equal to minus 5 in 1, we can calculate a, as a is equal to 13 plus 5, that is 18, which is the first term. A is the first term. So we have to fill 18 here, and now we have to find out a3, and a3 is given by a plus 2d. This is n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. So a is 18 plus 2 and d is minus 5. So answer is 18 minus 10, that is 8. इस तरीके से हमने पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशंस बनाते हुए जो भी टर्म इसमें मालूम थे, सेकंड टर्म मालूम था और फोर्थ टर्म मालूम था, उनकी हेल्प से पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन ए और डी में बना। और जब ए और डी मालूम हो गया तो ए पी का कोई भी टर्म लिखा जा सकता है। इन थर्ड पार्ट, first term of the AP is given as 5 and fourth term is given as 9.5. So we can write a is equal to 5 and fourth term is given by a plus 3d, and this is 9.5. So again we get a pair of linear equations in two variables, though the value of a is already known. So putting this value of a in equation 2, we find the value of d as 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5 by 1, taking to LCM 19 minus 10, that is 9 by 2. So d is equal to 9 by 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Thus we have a as 5, which is already given. Now we have to find out the second term, that is a2, which is given by a plus d, and a is 5 and d is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is actually 1.5. So 5 plus 1.5 is equal to 6.5, and which can be written as 6.5, that is 2 6 are 12, 1 13 by 2. So this is 13 by 2. Now third term, which is given by a plus 2d, and the value of a is 5. 2 and D is 3 by 2. So 2 cancel and 8 is the third term. In fourth part, first term is given, second, third, fourth, fifth are to be find out, and sixth term is 6. So we will write here, we are given A is equal to minus 4 and this is the sixth term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the sixth term, that is A plus 5D is 6. जिस तरीके से अभी थर्ड पार्ट को कैलकुलेट किया है उसी तरीके से इसे भी कैलकुलेट करना है। इक्वेशन 2 में हम a की वैल्यू रखेंगे तो ये -4 प्लस 5d इज इक्वल टू 6, दैट इज 5d इज इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 4 दैट इज 10, सो d इज इक्वल टू 10 by 5 2. Now we have to find out the second term, that is a2, which is given by a plus d, and a is -4 and d is 2, so the value of second term is -2. Then a3 is given by a plus 2d, and a is -4 plus 2 into d is 2. 2 2 is 4 plus 4 minus 4 0. a4 is given by a plus 3d, a is -4, 3 and d is 2. 3 2 is 6 or -4 gives 2. a5 is given by a plus 4d, a is -4 and 4d is 2. 4 2 is 8, positive 4. These are the unknowns. So we will put -2, 0, then 2, then 4. In fifth part, second term and sixth term are given, that is a plus d is 38 and a plus 5d is -22. This is a pair of linear equation in two variables a and d, which is to be solved. So subtracting these two equations, a plus 5d is equal to -2 and a plus d is equal to 38, on subtraction this cancel out and this gives 4d is equal to -60. So d is equal to -60 by 4 -15. So first term is -15. Putting this value in equation 1, a plus -15 is equal to 38. So a is equal to 38 plus 15, 53. इस तरीके से हमें a और d दोनों की वैल्यू प्राप्त हो जाती है। तो हम ए पी का कोई भी टर्म लिख सकते हैं। a3 फाइंड आउट करना है। a3 इज गिवन बाई a प्लस 2d एंड a इज 53 प्लस 2d इज -15, सो 53 माइनस 30, तो ये आ गया 23। a3 मालूम हो गया। a4 इज गिवन बाई a प्लस 3d, a इज 53 plus 3 and d is -15, so 53 minus 45, 8. Then a5 is given by a plus 4d, a is 53 plus 4 and d is -15, so 53 and this is 60, so this gives -7. So these are the answers. यहाँ पर -7 और a4 पर 8 और a3 पर 23 भरना है। इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। उम्मीद है कि आपने दिया गया एक्सप्लेनेशन को समझा होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, थैंक्स। यहाँ पर 53 ए की वैल्यू 53 थी।